Welcome back to our Barcelona tour. In this second chapter, we shift our gaze from the ancient stone of the past to the visionary world of Antoni Gaudi. His masterpiece, the Sagrada Familia, is a symphony of nature and faith, a building that continues to grow and inspire after more than a century. Inside, it feels like a spiritual forest, where columns branch out like trees and light flows through a kaleidoscope of color. But before we explore more of his genius, if you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Now we travel to Park Güell, a whimsical garden complex where Gaudi turned a housing project into a public masterpiece of art and nature. The park's famous lizard, covered in colorful broken tiles, has become a symbol of Barcelona's creative spirit and Gaudi's unique vision. From the winding mosaic benches of the main terrace, we gain a panoramic view of a city that was forever changed by one man's imagination. We descend back to the city center along the Passeig de Gràcia, where modernism and luxury meet in a display of pure elegance. Behold Casa Batlló, often called the House of Bones. Its facade ripples like the sea, shimmering with colorful mosaics and skeletal ironwork. The rooftop represents the legend of St. George and the Dragon, a recurring theme in Catalan culture and Gaudi's heart. Just a few blocks away stands Casa Mila, a rugged stone masterpiece that appears to have been carved directly from a mountain. Its rooftop is a surreal garden of sculpture, where chimneys stand like sentinels guarding the city under the soft light of dusk. While Gaudi led the way, modernism flourished throughout the city, seen in the breathtaking beauty of the Hospital de Sant Pau and the Palau de la Música Catalana, a temple of sound where the architecture is as lyrical and expressive as the music itself. Every corner of Barcelona holds a piece of this artistic revolution, a city that refused to be ordinary and chose to be extraordinary. It's in the ironwork of the balconies, the tiles beneath your feet, and the spirit of a city that celebrates creativity at every turn. As we conclude our journey through the world of modernism, we see how Gaudi's dreams became the very fabric of this city. Barcelona is not just a place you visit, it is a vision you experience, a city that stays with you long after you leave. Our journey isn't over yet. Next time, we head to the shore to explore the vibrant life and sea breezes of coastal Barcelona. Thank you for joining me for part 2 of our tour. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep exploring. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.